Welcome to Motodream. Today we're gonna take a review of the new generation Apache Rtr 164V. The Rtr 164V comes in three variants. The first one is carburetor and the single disc variant, and the second one is carbureted with dual disc, and the third one is EFI with dual disc. It has an INMRC championship winning engine. The engine has oil-cooled 4-valve short-stroke racing engine, produces 16.5 PS at 8000 rpm. The power plant is derived from the 6-time INMRC winning RTR 165 prototype. The bike has gone 0 to 60 km per hour in just 4.73 seconds. It's quite impressive for the 160cc. And it has a racing double barrel exhaust. The exhaust has been meticulously tuned to produce the signature Apache racing sound. The bike has a patented racing unique double barrel cradle split synchro stiff chassis provides increase in stiffness of the sharp cornering. It has a rotor pedal disc brake. The design is drastically reduces the braking distance on the track while allowing for the faster heat dissipation. Race-tuned Showa monoshock helps the compression and rebound damping have been precisely tuned on the racetrack along with the experts from the Showa Japan. The setup gives the racers confidence while carrying higher cornering speeds. It has a digital racing console. The high-tech race console has a top speed recorder, 0 to 60 timer, and provides a gear shift indicator to the racer. And the streamlined muscular tank has been aerodynamically modeled to cut through the wind, and the graphics pay homage to the dominance of the Apache and the truck. It has an imposing headlamp. Aggression meets the functionality with an high-intensity LED position lamps with a unique fang design. Now let's see about the specifications of the RTR 164V. Now let's see about the engine and handling. The bike has a 4-stroke oil-cooled 159.7cc single cylinder, and the arrangement of the cylinder is vertical. The bike can produce a maximum power of 16.5 PS at 8000 rpm and the maximum torque of 14.8 Nm at 6500 rpm. It has a single overhead cam and 4 watts per cylinder, and it has an electric and kickstart. The filter has a type of viscous paper filter, and the cooling system has an oil cooler with ram air assist with an exhaustive of twin pipe and twin barrel design. And it has a wet multiplate clutch with 5-speed gearbox, and the rear suspension has a monoshocks, and the front suspension got a telescopic forks. Now let's see about the electricals. It has a battery of 12 volt 9 amps and a headlamp of 60 by 55 watts H4 bulb with all time on LED position lamp. Now let's see about the brakes. The front brake has got a 270 mm pedal disc, and the rear has a 200 mm pedal disc. For the drum brakes, it has an 130 mm drum brake. The brake fluids are .3 or .4. The bike has a curb weight of 143 kg for the drum version, and the dual disc has an 145 kg, and the FI version has got an 147 kg. The bike has a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters and the reserve of 2.5 liters. The performance of the bike of maximum speed is 113 km for the carburetor variant, and the FI variant has an 114 km per hour. Now let's see the bike in dimension wise. The height of the bike is 1050 mm and the length is 2050 mm. The width of the bike is 790 mm, then the wheelbase is 1357 mm. The ground clearance it has got is 180 mm and the saddle height is 800 mm. Please like, share and subscribe to the Moto Dream.